Hey guys, how's it going? It's John with Kingdom Marketing Lab, and today I want to do a quick video on how to optimize your Facebook business page. So I'm on my business page here, Kingdom Marketing Lab, and I'm just going to kind of go through a couple things with you that I think is super important when setting up your business page or things you can add to it. One of the very first things up here at the top, they have a Book Now button, and you can set it to anything you want, but I like the Book Now button because Facebook has its own appointment schedule calendar that you can utilize, and it's free. So if I click on appointments, it'll pull up here and you can literally see what you have going on just by using that Book Now button on your Facebook page. It's just one more thing to be able to get people to engage with you. Another thing here, I'm going to go to view as visitor. So if you guys were coming to my page, this is how you would see it, okay? So here's that Book Now button. What I like most about these tabs is you can go through these tabs, right? I love video, and most of the people who watch me, they usually see me through video, so I moved this tab up to the front, right along with services and photos. You can add anything you want that is specific to your business as far as a tab that you want viewers to see. And another cool thing is you can actually edit these tabs too. For anything you want, you just put a word in there and then boom, it's right here. So that's pretty cool. Another really important thing is your about section, okay? You need to fill this out to the T with as most information as you can possible. One of the most important things is your website, your email, and your phone. And make sure that you have this send message button engaged. I have my Facebook Messenger attached to, or I have my message button to my business page attached to a chat bot. If you guys don't have a chat bot, it's like a 24/7 customer service agent for you that basically answers questions, qualifies leads. It saves you time and money. It's truly powerful. If you don't have a chat bot, message me and I can get one for you. But anyway, your about section is super important, okay? And then what you basically want to do is right here is the appointment availability. Make sure this is on there so people can set appointments and whatever else you want them to do. Page transparency basically tells you about the page, okay? And then if you go to add library, you can actually see what type of ads that any company is putting on. So if I was running ads, which I'm not, so I'll go to add library. If I were running ads, you'd be able to see every single ad that I'm running. You'd be able to see my copy. You'd be able to see everything to be able to use for your business if it was the same type of content, okay? Another thing that I wanted to show you guys that is truly a time saver for your business page. If you guys never heard of the Facebook Creator Studio, this is super powerful, okay? And how you get there, it's business.facebook.com/creator studio/home. And here, basically, it shows all the pages you manage, okay? And then it gives you insights about everything. Now, one thing I love about this the most, if you're a service-based business, let's just say a restaurant, a construction company, a hair salon, a photography business, the coolest part about this is you can upload 100, 200 photos onto the Creator Studio. And what's cool about it is you can schedule out the posts so it comes weekly. So you can literally schedule out 3 to 6 months worth of posts all at one time. And it's just an automated way for you to be able to basically not have to sit here and post every day, but you can sit there and schedule posts 3 to 6 months out in advance. And another cool thing about this Facebook Creator Studio, it'll give you all the insights on like what posts that most people were engaged and watched, what posts did they not. It just gives you so much valuable insight. And if you don't know how to use Facebook Creator Studio, then there's usually a quick tutorial button. Watch that. I think it's like 4 to 5 minutes, but it'll show you how to really dive deep in how to use this Facebook Creator Studio. And the reason it's created is because Facebook wants you to spend money on your Facebook business page, whether that's through Facebook ads, whether that's boosting posts. So what they do is they give you all this information to be able to use. So the idea is, let's just say this first post that I have on here was absolutely going bananas, right? Well, it's going to tell you the ins and outs, the who, the when they watched, everything about the post. That way you can create more posts just like it, and in turn hopefully spend money by boosting the posts or maybe doing Facebook ads with the post. So those are the most important things to me when I'm looking and starting a business page, is make sure I have the book now button. You might as well take advantage of it because Facebook has a free appointment getting calendar for you. And your about section and everything you put in your about section is almost like linked to Google. Okay, so it's super important that everything is on point when it comes to your about section. So I hope this tip helped, and we will get another video out to you guys soon.